Me. My cat's in the garage. That's what we're doing right now. And there's a lot of noise in the main house. Rose is scared. I don't know what's going on. But yeah, he's scared and so am I. So I don't know. But I'm not gonna go there because I'm like a really bad asthma attack right now. And the kitty's been in here for another like an hour and a half. So yeah. Bubba's like, what's going on up there? He's like, oh, scared. Don't worry, Bubbles, we're fine. I know you're scared. You're okay. You're okay, Bubbles. Yeah.